When you log into the BNI app, you get this screen first, and if you tap on your name, then you'll get the area where you can edit your profile. If you tap on My Business, you can fill out details about your business. If you tap on Address, you can fill out your business address details. Tap on Contact to fill out your contact details. If you go back to the main screen and then tap on Next to Next Meeting where there's an eye symbol, you'll see some details about the meeting. Back on the main screen where you see this week's slips, if you hit the plus symbols on the right, you can record your stats. Here in the record thank you for closed business, you can choose who you're thanking, the amount to the nearest dollar, whether it's new business or repeat business, and whether it's inside like an internal referral or an external one. And you can put some comments in about what the referral was. In the same area of this week's slips, you can add a referral using that plus button. And in the same way, you can choose who the referral's to, whether it's an internal or an external referral, whether they're going to get in contact with them or the referral's going to contact them if you've given them their details. Then if you click on the referral box, it will ask if you want to allow the app to have access to all your contacts address book, which is a really easy way to send a referral to someone rather than typing it all out. Or you can just manually type it in there and with some details about what the referral is. And you then need to specify how hot is this referral, like how likely is it to proceed. Also on this week's slips, you can add chapter educational units, the CEUs, and there's a list of what ones are valid here, so just enter them. And the last slips that you can add are one-to-one slips. So you can choose who you met with, out of the two of you, who initiated the one-to-one, where you met, when, and what you talked about. If you tap on search down the bottom, you can see our entire roster and each of their contact details by tapping on them. Or you can also do a worldwide search where you can search all BNI chapters for anyone that you've met from another chapter. Also down the bottom is the visitors button. If you tap on that and then tap on register a visitor, you can register someone to come and visit our chapter. Just fill out their contact details. You don't have to fill out their address if you don't want to. Then choose the date they're going to visit us and their industry. So you can either scroll through the industry list or you can actually start typing in that box and it will search it because it's quite a big list. And the other button down the bottom is slips, where you can look at each of your individual one-to-ones, CEUs, thank you for closed businesses and referrals, and see details about them.